Okay, the answers are in front of you that are in bold writing. Please have a self check. They gave the homeless man a few dollars, right? Because you can count the dollars, so they have written a few. Americans give dash money to charity, much money to charity. Dash women like shopping. Most women like shopping. Now the next one is his dash enthusiasm surprised me. Lack of. He drank dash juice in his glass. All the all the juice in his glass. Did you buy dash apple to cook a pie? Enough apple to cook a pie. Then I wish I could spend dash time in Egypt. A little time in Egypt. I took very dash time to cross Belgium. I took very little time to cross Belgium. We know dash people who face the same problem. We know several people who face the same problem. So if you have done this work, it was your English B work. So if you have done, please have a self check so that we can start the new lesson. Okay, now come to the topic. As we are on unit number 2, that is staying healthy. This is our unit number 2, and the topic we are going to start is food and health. Okay, now you must have heard in these days that in TV shows, doctors and nutritionists, they are talking about food and health as we are facing a pandemic, and in these days they are asking the people to take healthy food to boost their energy and immunity so that they may stay safe during from this virus. Now I just want to know what are good food, what are good food that are healthy food. Can you write in the chat box some of the healthy food? Some healthy food, name of some of the healthy food. Okay, apple, fruits, vegetables, nuts, good. Okay, nut, fruits, egg. Yes, eggs are good for good source of protein, and protein is good for to fight against that virus. Good. Okay, now can you suggest some of the unhealthy food we have to avoid? Burgers, yes, fast food. Okay, pizza, chocolates, right? Sweet food, fast food, chips. Okay, all these are unhealthy. So it is very good. I'm very happy to know that you have some idea what are good food and healthy food and what are unhealthy food. Okay, now they have given you on page number 24, they have given you some of the pictures of food, and they have put the food into different groups. If you look at the picture number 1, you can see there is apple, orange, banana, carrot, potato, and cabbage. In the next picture, you can see a bottle of olive oil. Then there are some nuts here, and other things are there. So then come to the next one. There is it is a group of The picture is about cereal and bread, and then there is milk, a packet of milk, cheese, and yogurt, right? Now come to the next one, number 5 picture. It is about your chocolate sweets. Then there is meat, chicken, fish, meat, all these things are there. Now there is a box on page number 24. They had given you the vocabulary. So you have to, they have written the first group as dairy. The first word is dairy. Then fruit and vegetables, bad fat and sweet, good fat and oil, grains and cereals, meat and fish. So you have to categorize them. You have to match the picture with the group of food. Can you do it? It is very easy. Look at the first picture. What is there in the first picture? Tell me which group is it? Okay, write in the vocab chat. Is it only fruit? Or are there some vegetables also? Subhan, pay attention to the lesson. Okay, yes, there is fruit and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. So first group is of fruits and vegetable. Okay, look at the second one. Hurry up, we don't have enough time. Okay, good. Oil and nuts. Come to the next one. Number 3. Grain and cereals. Okay. Then come to the next one. Number 4 is milk and cheese. What is, check in the vocabulary what they have written for this one. For milk and cheese, they have written dairy. Okay, good. Okay, next, come to the next one. Number 5. Dairy and sweet. No, check in the box. Check in the box what the vocabulary they had given to you for it, for this group. Bad fat and sweets. Good. Now, last one. The last one is meat and fish. Okay. If you have done, shall we move to the next one? If you had marked the answers, it was to match. Good, Maheen. Very good. Okay, I think all of you have done this work. Now come to the next one. Now there is a listening activity. Now, while listening, you have to gather some information. You have to think about what they are telling you, giving you the information. So please be very focused. Okay, I'm going to play it for you. So while listening, you have to read the text and you have to gather the information they are telling you in this audio.
To grow strong and to fight infection and disease. If we don't eat well, then we can get sick. Fruit and vegetables.
Track 9. Track 10.
If we don't eat well, then we can get sick. Fruit and vegetables. We should eat fruit and vegetables every day because they give us vitamins and minerals which our body needs to work properly. We should eat fruit as a snack instead of chocolate, sweets and cakes. Grains and cereals. We should also include grains and cereals such as pasta, rice, and bread in our diet. These foods provide our bodies with carbohydrates, which give us energy to do all the things we have to do every day. Calcium. It is also important that we eat food that has a lot of calcium, as this makes our bones and teeth strong. You can get calcium from dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. In some countries, people don't eat dairy foods, but many vegetables like broccoli, carrots, soya beans, and wasabi are very high in calcium. Protein. Foods that have protein are meat, fish, and eggs. Some people are vegetarian, and so they eat more vegetables, grains, and nuts, which all have protein in them and are important for our growth. Finally, we can eat sweets, chocolates, and cakes, but you shouldn't eat them every day as they have a lot of fat and sugar, which can harm our teeth and bodies. My typical lunch is a healthy, balanced meal. I have vegetable soup to start with a slice of bread. Then I have either fish or meat with vegetables and rice or potatoes. And for dessert, I have a yogurt and a piece of fruit.
Okay, children, you must have heard that one. So now what you have to do is you have listened that track. Now you have to complete. There is a short notes that child has made some of the short notes, so you have to complete them, right? They, after listening this to prepare that assignment, presentation, she has prepared some of the short notes, but here the short notes are not complete. So now, as you have heard that track, so now you are able to complete that one. So the first is healthy eating is important because fruit and vegetables gives us vitamins and what was the first thing? Don't send me the emojis. Write the name. Very good, Ayan. Moves. Good. Minerals. Okay. Okay, the second one is grains and cereals such as dash, dash, and dash provide our bodies with carbohydrates. What the answer would be? Okay. Grains and minerals. Sorry, grains and cereals such as dash, dash, and dash. In the track, you have heard the word, yes, pasta, okay, rice, bread. Okay, now come to the next one. Calciums make our body a dash and dash strong. Our bones and teeth strong. Some people are vegetarians, so they eat more dash. So what you have heard? They eat more. If someone is vegetarian, they eat more vegetables. Good, very good, children. Grains and nuts. Grains and nuts. Okay, a lot of sweets harm our dash and dash. If someone is eating too much sweets, teeth and bones and teeth. Okay, body and teeth, because if someone is taking too much sugar, can suffer from diabetes. Okay, so these are the answer. Please check them and note them on your book, page number 24. Healthy eating is important because Fruit and vegetable gives us vitamins and minerals. Grains and cereals such as pasta, rice, and bread provide our body with carbohydrate. Calciums make our body and teeth strong. The bones and teeth strong. Some people are vegetarians, so they eat more vegetables, grains, and nuts. A lot of sweets harm our teeth and bodies, right? So this is the these are the short note made by Kaya, but you have completed them. Now there is another activity. If you move to page number 25, the fifth activity, you have heard about Kaya. So what do you think about the information Kaya given? Do you agree or disagree? The information she has shared in the presentation, do you agree with their with the information or do you disagree? Write in the chat box. Okay, good. Everyone agrees. Good, very good. Move to the next one. Activity 6. Now, as you have already listened to the track, so we will do that activity. These are some true and false statements. In these true and false statement, they have used a modal verb, that is modal auxiliary should. We use this word should for it to advise. So Kaya has given you some of the advice. So you have to tell whether the advice is true or false. The first is you should eat fruit and vegetables every day. Okay, it is true. Good. Now come to the second one. You shouldn't eat carbohydrates. Okay, false. Third one is you should eat yogurt. Yes, good. It is true. You should eat pasta and rice because they provide our body with proteins. Pasta and rice because they provide our body with proteins. Do we get proteins from these things? Grains? No, it is false. It is not true. Abraham, it is not true. It is false. You shouldn't eat meat. Is it true or false? Okay, fifth one is true. Good. Okay, no, it is false. It is written you shouldn't eat meat. It is false, Philadelphia. You can eat sweet and cake, but you shouldn't eat them every day. Okay, it is true. We can eat sweet and cake, but we shouldn't eat them every day. Okay, it is true. So the first, have a look again. First one is true. Second one is false. Third one is again true. Fourth one is false. Fifth one is false. And the sixth one is true. Is it done? Okay. Please check your answers and mark them on your book. It is on page number 25. Okay, come to the homework. Okay, the homework is, now you have to choose. There are two topics given to you. You have to choose one of these topics, and you have to make short notes. So as Kaya has made some of the short notes for her presentation, so as we are not in school and we don't have enough of the time for the presentations, we will do this activity on some other day. But meanwhile, I want you to write a paragraph, make short notes, just like that Kaya, as she has done. So you also have to select one of the topic. The first topic is a healthy school lunch meal. A healthy school lunch meal. As some of the children, they are uh, uh, in their lunch box, they are bringing only biscuits and chocolates. So you have to talk about the healthy school lunch meal, make short notes as Kaya was doing. Then the second one is healthy birthday party snacks, right? So you have to make, first thing you have to do is you have to prepare some of the short notes. And then you have to write, then you have to use those notes to write the paragraph. Okay? You have to explain why it is important to have a healthy diet. To support your view with information on the different food group, explain why you should eat this food. Use verb of advice. Verb of advice, you can use should, that we should eat dairy product, we should take meat to boost up energy, we should take nuts. So this is the uh, verb advice. So verb advice today you have learned is should and should not, right? And there is a plate, my plate organize. This will help you to write the paragraph, okay? As they have divide the plate into 4 groups: fruit, grains, vegetables, and proteins. So you can, I hope so that you can easily write about your healthy school lunch meal, or either you can write about healthy birthday party snacks, right? This work you can do in your English B copy, right? This is your English B work. You can do this work in your English B copy. And I want all of you to write it down. Maybe one day I'll ask you to give a presentation on these two topics, right? Is there any question? Write a full paragraph. And I will take a surprise presentation any day. Okay, be ready with it. Joshua Suhail, what is your question? Write in the chat box.